Hello everyone, my name is Jason Matthew and welcome to How to Moodle series of videos. And today we're going to be looking at how to edit the unit titles. Okay guys, so as with any form of editing, you make sure that you turn editing on. So you click the button on the top right hand corner, turn editing on, you click that. And that's going to give you your different editing functions. Now remember, we at the IDDU have requested that you do not change the actual unit graphics. But what we want you to do is to insert the name of each unit. So that's something that you should do at the beginning of the semester. So in this case, let's change unit 1. You're going to click the pencil icon. You can type in 1 dot. And for instance, unit 1 should be introductions. And you can also put in brackets the duration of which unit 1 will be carried out. So it's from, I would say, February 1st to February 7th. Right? And once you're finished, you click enter on the keyboard or return if you have a Mac keyboard. And you will see that the title has been changed. Now, if you scroll up, it hasn't changed here as yet. So you might think that you have to do it here. No. What you need to do is just refresh the page. So let's click the refresh button or the reload button on your web browser. And once you do that, you should see the changes here as well. So you have it in your grid. So I've just changed that first title. And it's down here as well. Now remember, the students are going to be using like mobile devices, the iPhones and the iPads and whatnot. And you want to keep these titles short and yet but descriptive. So you could put the number to represent the number of the unit here. You could give it a very short title so that, it's quick to the point. They can get the rest of the information when they click on the actual unit. And then probably the date in which you want this unit to be covered. Ideally, each unit should represent 1 weeks of work. You want to chunk your teaching, so ideally 1 unit per week. Alright guys, so Jason Matthew, I'm the coordinator of the IDDU. If you have any questions, please let me know, send me an email. Take care, bye bye.